Do you have Parkinson's? These are some beginner exercises for Parkinson's, and they're very similar to other exercises for MS, Ataxia, etc.
The first move you're going to do is shoulder circles. We'll go X number 15, 20, 25 forward, palms down, no fists, and then you do them reverse. We don't have to do every single rep, but that's good. Right there. Now you're going to do some neck and upper shoulder. So you're going to do like this.
Yeah, but
up and down.
You have to cross your arms on your chest. Yeah, that's it.
Now, side to side. Look side to side. And look, you don't strain, but look as far as you can passively in each direction. Stop right there. Good. Now we're going to do head circles. So go clockwise, really big circles all the way around. And let your eyes follow the direction that your head's moving. So down, sideways, up. Now counterclockwise.
Alright, we're gonna do the figure 8, and you want to do it for each arm. Pretty much you'll do a figure 8 like this. And do it for 10 times for 3 sets on each arm.
So you go back and forth, back and forth.
Yeah, and
right, left, right, left.
And the goal is try to get as small as you can. And this is again for anyone with Parkinson's, MS, Ataxia, etc. Next, we have the hand flip flop. And what I mean, take your hand like so, and pretty much do this on each hand for 3 sets on each. And
3 sets of what?
3
10?
sets of 10. And try to get faster and faster on each hand. That's the goal. Just do that.
Now you're going to do some, we did the shoulder circles, now these arm circles, what you're going to do, it's like you're punching. So go forward, then reverse. And I guess you could count numbers or you could just time yourself. Timing's probably better.
Yeah, usually like 10 seconds. And then in between finger taps. And then go reverse for 10 seconds.
Now let them know when you're doing the finger taps, you're going like thumb, forefinger, thumb, middle finger, thumb, ring finger, thumb, pinky, and then back and forth. You're trying to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4.
And then forward again.
Now how many times do you do that?
For 10 seconds.
No. Forward and back, how many times do you go back and forth?
3 sets for each.
Gotcha.
And just the finger tap and go backwards.
So 3 sets forward, finger taps, 3 sets backward, finger taps. Gotcha.
Next it's up arm crisscrosses for 20 seconds. 3 sets of 20 seconds, like so.
It's like a wicked dance move.
That's it.
Get you in the
Have
club.
seated marches. And we're just gonna do 10 of these for each leg for 3 sets. And after that, it's a little more complicated exercise, which is seated marches with leg extensions, like so. Like so. And 10 for each leg, 3 sets of 10.
I'm going to do seated abduction. So adduction's pulling in, abduction's going out. So you're going to raise the leg out to the side as much as you can and down and back and down and back. Back and forth like that. You can do 10, 20, 30 a leg. With all of these, you can do more than we prescribe. This just to start with. You know, if you feel like you need more, you do more. If you need more practice, more of a warm-up as a prelude to something, good, right there. I'm going to Do seated butterflies. So have your feet kind of together and let the knees just splay out, just fall out. You're just going back and forth. You don't have to do it fast, but when you go out, you want to stretch as far as you can go. Make sense? And again, 10, 20, 30, however many you want to do. However many you feel like you need to do. Sometimes with these kind of exercises, more is better.
Yeah, I usually do like 3 sets of 30 with these.
Yes, 30 is that rep range that rehab likes. All right, now we're going to add like a little difficulty to this. So all of those exercises you just demonstrated, I want you to put your arms out in front. And you can have your fingers locked, you can have your arms straight out, like, you know. And what you would do is every move that he just demonstrated to you, you would try to do with your arms out in front like that.
Like this.
That's the marching.
Yeah.
Or do the head one, up and down.
Oh.
Straight up and down. Now, obviously, certain ones like the arm circles, you're not going to do that like that. But any of the ones that involve the head or the legs, you can try doing it with your arms out in front of you, just to add a little bit of difficulty to it.
Do these exercises every day, and some of them at least 3 sets of 30. Please like, subscribe, share, ring that bell if you like this content.